ሻዕቢያ ስልጣን ከህዝከሎ ዳርጋ ልዕሊ 300 ፋብሪካታት ኣብ ኤርትራ ነይረን ሎሚ ዳርጋ ኩለን ዓንየን ሓንቲ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ነይራ ኣስመራ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ትበሃል ንሳ እውን ተኣፅያ እያ
Was your campus life?
Campus life an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job?
Yes.
What's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church.
Okay.
Ethiopia is explain in not explain.
Hi.
Huh?
Why?
Because in
First of all, we need confidence from the Egyptian side. If there is a confidence,
Building trust.
Building trust, yeah.
Do you know Joe Biden?
Huh?
Do you know Joe Biden? You don't know Joe Biden?
in I know in the television.
Joe Biden.
Yes, my television mascot.
So do you have any message for Joe Biden?
Joe Biden, please stop in the Ethiopian country.
So look at the camera and
Joe Biden, please by enter Ethiopia. Support by Ethiopia.
About how Eritrea is a developing country and how we need natural scientists to provide us engineers or medical doctors or vaccines or whatever that was. Do you think that we need natural science in our country? Do you think that we need more natural science than social scientists in Eritrea? We need a proper economy more than natural scientists or people who can create vaccines. We need people to organize them. We need governments to work on this, right?
No.
Okay, you can explain yourself.
How we gonna develop our economy?
By proper economy, we can develop our country.
What do we need?
Government.
Government?
Yes.
Okay, what does government need in order to work these things?
In order to work, the government needs social science.
I like to calculate this, which is at least those what we call it governments need industry, and the bidding heart of industry are chemical experts, and the masters are, which is what we call them engineers and technicians only.
Thank you. Who's investing? Who's funding for those engineers to work?
You are.
Whose money is it for those engineers to work on those? What he was calling about the infrastructure. Who's the basing from this funding? Without the funding and economy, without the proper economy, will people be able to afford it? No, right?
Personally, you are funding us because you need us. You can now do it. Politicians are good at getting things done rather than doing themselves.
Sure, we need them. We need them. I am not denying the fact that natural science.